Hi everyone, my name is Mike Wada and this is a Radical Academy. In this video, I'm going to talk about chemical equation and much more specifically in how you can go about understanding what is it that you can find in a chemical equation. Now, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like our channel, so that each and every single time I upload this kind of videos, you'll be the first person to actually be notified that we have actually posted a new video. Now, without much further ado, let's jump into that. Okay. Now, the most important thing that if you want to understand chemistry is actually you must be able to know how to balance a chemical equation. And in this video, I'm going to start off with a simple chemical equation, probably assuming that you know what are some of these elements that are involved in the chemical equation or in the chemical reaction and things like that. Okay. Now, the first thing that you're going to see on the board is that we have an element. So I also encourage you that if you're watching this video, please try to find a periodic table so that it becomes so easy for you to understand what is it that I'm talking about. Okay, so chemistry is about the periodic table. We get to actually understand which element we're talking about and in which group does that element belongs to, and just like that. So we can see that we have this symbol as a chemical symbol Na. And then we also have Cl, okay, most of us, we understand that symbol Cl. And then it's going to produce what is known as sodium chloride. Now, here is an important thing that you have to understand, okay? So, first of all, you have to be able to understand what is involved in a chemical reaction or a chemical equation. So, when you look at the board, you find that there is an element called sodium, which has a symbol of Na, and then also another chemical element, which is chlorine, which is Cl. Now, when the two elements react together, okay, something else must be formed, okay, which is different from a physical reaction or physical change, okay. So, when you have a chemical reaction, a chemical change must take place, okay. And what you understand is that the chemical change as a chemical reaction which occurs like this, okay, and produces a compound, okay. Now, this compound is going to actually have different properties, okay, which are also different from one of these individual elements that were involved in this chemical reaction. Okay, so before you do anything, the first step that I would actually recommend you is, first of all, you understand